The KLEVV CRAS C910 2TB SSD takes advantage of PCIe Gen 4 technology to deliver impressive read and write speeds, making it ideal for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. The innovative aluminum heatsink included with the KLEVV CRAS C910 effectively reduces temperatures by up to 10%, ensuring long-term reliability and preventing overheating. With the CRAS C910 SSD, users can enjoy faster system boot times and reduced game load times, providing a smoother and more responsive experience for top-tier gaming. Thanks to its advanced three-dimensional NAND technology, this SSD offers greater storage capacity, enhanced durability, and lower power consumption compared to traditional two-dimensional NAND. The KLEVV CRAS C910's compact design, including a 1mm thick heatsink, ensures easy installation in a variety of systems, from desktops to laptops and mini PCs. This SSD combines cutting-edge technology and efficient design to deliver a reliable and high-performing storage solution for various computing needs.